all kinds of animals. What are some types of animals? There are many different kinds of animals. Mammals are a group of animals with hair or fur. They can hop, walk, swim, or fly. Porcupines are mammals. Mammals like giraffes take care of and give birth to live young. Birds are a group of animals that have feathers. They have 2 legs and 2 wings. Many lay eggs. Most birds can fly. Birds also have beaks to help them eat food and carry things to their nests. Ducks are birds. They lay eggs in nests. Peacocks are birds. Male peacocks have bright and colorful feathers. What are reptiles and amphibians? Reptiles are a group of animals that have dry skin covered with scales. Some reptiles also have shells to keep them safe. Most reptiles lay eggs. Snakes, turtles, and alligators are reptiles. Amphibians are a group of animals that live on land and in water. Most amphibians have smooth, damp skin. Amphibians usually hatch from eggs in water. Then they move to land when they are adults. Salamanders and frogs are amphibians. What are some other types of animals? Fish are a group of animals that live underwater. Most fish have scales. Fish have fins that help them swim. Fish also have gills that help them breathe. Insects are animals that have 3 body parts and 6 legs. Most insects lay eggs. Ants and butterflies are both insects. Spiders are not insects. They have 8 legs.